Hi, we are John and Samantha. Welcome to our channel, Vintage RV Adventures. We bought our motorhome in July 2021, and with the help of a Rob the Builder, we have spent that time rebuilding the motorhome from what was a salvage wreck. This year, we're going to complete our motorhome project, and we will soon be on our way visiting some lovely parts of the UK, when we'll also take Shelby, our German Shepherd dog, along for the ride. So please do follow our journey. We look forward to having you along. Andy, so you come here to see us, and you got my work, man.
Oh,
doing work. What's going on here?
God, well, this is, you know, holding on to this.
Got Rob the Builder doing work for you. What's going on here, mate?
It's got to be done, isn't it?
Okay, so for today's video, we're going to have a go at stripping out and rebuilding these back brakes on the RV. So let's get started. First job, guys, is we get it jacked up securely and get the wheel nuts off. Just a disclaimer here, guys, please, this is not a how-to video, so don't follow what we're doing. If you're not competent, then please don't go ahead. Yeah, that's pretty dirty, guys. A few cobwebs in there, bit of age, look at that. But, can't see any broken spring, so that's good. Okay, right, let's see what we can do and get this cleaned up, get this drum off. Right, just a word of caution here now, guys. So we're going to have to give this a bit of a tap, well, a little more than a tap, to free it off. There's going to be some corrosion back there, and it's a very early vehicle, so it may contain asbestos for the brake lining, so really be careful of that if you're dealing with an old vehicle. Yep. Wow, there we go. You know what, Rob? That's the one I thought might have been leaking. And we'll have a closer look in a second, but I don't really see any evidence of leakage there, so that's really good news. That, guys, there is a little bit of damp here, look. So probably a little bit of damp coming out this wheel cylinder, bit of fluid over time. We've got new wheel cylinders for it anyway, so that's brilliant, and we've got new brake linings. So what we're going to do now off camera is we're going to take some really good photographs of this, because it looks quite a complicated little setup, just to make sure we know exactly where everything goes on the rebuild. So we remove this wheel cylinder, which is the culprit. This is leaking. Two bolts out. Yep. Yeah. Cool. Just noticed as well there, guys, that the brake pipe behind the wheel cylinder there is has been hit. It looks like it was bent. If you look back here as well, you can see where it's touching the axle retaining U-bolt. Well, the leaf spring retaining U-bolt, I should say. Yeah, so we will be changing that brake pipe as well. There you go, guys. You can see the pipe's been bent. Not very good at all, that. And it's been leaking. Yeah. So we've got new cylinders to change, so that's good. Right, so this is the wheel cylinder that we took off. We're going to have a quick nose under the cover, see what's going on. Oh my God. Jesus. Yeah, that's pretty much why it was leaking. It's full of corrosion. Oh. Yeah, you can imagine what the brake fluid's like in the rest of the vehicle, can't you? Jesus. Take the other end off, Rob. Let's have a look at that end. Oh, blimey, that's worse.
Yeah.
Christ.
It's just mixed in with brake fluid, isn't it?
Just corrosion and brake fluid. Okay, one for the bin.
Sell it on eBay.
And there's one new wheel cylinder fitted. And always use a bit of copper slip on the bolts there, guys, when you put these things in. You might want to get them apart one day. Not sure if you can tell by this video, guys, but you can see where the oil has been. Yeah, you can feel the stickiness of it. The oil's been ground into that metal of the brake drum. And Rob's cleaned up the brake drum nicely there. That's not too bad for a 30-odd-year-old brake drum.
Very good. It's pretty good.
And there we go, guys. One side of a set of brand new rear brake linings. Just the job. It's a bit cleaner than the last ones, isn't it, Rob?
Yeah, a lot cleaner.
So what we're going to do now is adjust them up and refit the drum. Get the adjustment right. Okay, guys, so that's the one rear brake. New wheel cylinder and new brake linings fitted and adjusted. Lovely job. And we just cleaned up the rear leaf springs just to make sure there's no broken leaves and that kind of thing. And good for the MOT man as well, or lady, so they can see there aren't any broken spring leaves. There we go. Job's a good one. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you liked that little video talking about the brakes, the rebuild of them. You probably saw at the beginning of the video we had a little visit from Andy and Jan from Many Fun Adventures yesterday. We won't put any video about that trip on our channel, not yet anyway. We'll wait for Andy and Jan to put their video out, so keep your eye on their channel. We'll put a link below for their channel. Keep your eye on that, guys. Nice little video. I think you're gonna have a good laugh.
Oh
on that
yeah,
one.
oh yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it for this one, Rob.
It is. I'd just like to say, Andy and John, what lovely people you are. Absolutely brilliant. Thoroughly enjoyable. But yeah, that's it for this week, and hope you enjoy it, guys.
Take care, guys.
Take care. Bye bye.